So I was thinking, wouldn't it be cool if I could make anything that I thought of? Then I thought of a 3D printer. All you really need to do is get a 3D printer, some 3D printing material, and some CADing skills, and bam! Just press print, just like you would on a 2D printer, to get the object that you made on your computer in real life. Okay, maybe not that simple, but it is cool and enjoyable. Get ready for a 3.5 minute long montage, because I got my 3D printer parts and assembled it.
This is barely gonna fit. Let's try this sideways.
After making sure that the vertical supports were aligned and very close to vertical, I calibrated the printer. To see if I assembled the 3D printer correctly, I got a test file online, loaded it up on the 3D printer's SD card, and pressed print.
And this is what
The block had turned out pretty well for the first print. This cube is called the calibration cube and is meant to test if you have calibrated your printer correctly. Each side has either the X, Y, or Z letter to indicate which direction the printer prints on for that side, to help you see if either of those axes are uncalibrated. Let's take this cube off and take a look. Alright, so in terms of the Z direction, it's pretty spot on. This cube's supposed to be 20 millimeters on each side, and that's basically 20 millimeters. But in terms of the X, it's a little bit shorter. Maybe by a very small margin. And that tolerance is alright. The only issue is the Y, which you can noticeably see. It's actually a little, it's like one tick mark from 2 centimeters. Overall, I am happy with how my 3D printer turned out. It prints well, and for what I need, it prints at a decent speed. I will definitely be using it to create whatever projects I please in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.